We came across this site which had a great big hole dug in it the size of an Olympic swimming pool, and it's a sediment control for the developers. And so the benefit was not only we got literally the front and centre seat at the performance, which is the Kinloch landscape. It meant that everyone else was sitting behind you, and I suppose that's where everyone wants to be in a performance. The house has kind of been designed in a sort of formal or informal batch kind of arrangement with bunk rooms. There's also some expandable spaces. The media room can become a fourth bedroom with pull-out couches. Some of the design elements that have been expressed in this house, I have purposely made a reference to the group house builders of the 1950s here in New Zealand. A lot of their ideology was taken from the modernist era, where there's servant and served spaces, but also the exploration of new materials. And so the EPS panel product that we've used on the roof and the walls is a reference to exploring new technologies as they did back in the 1950s. So this is the third time we've used Metalcraft products in houses. They have so many great qualities. Not only with the prefabrication do you get quick assemblage and therefore cheaper construction costs, but you get double the insulation value. You get a highly robust interior and exterior finish, which is low maintenance. And the quality of the roof and its spanning potential is also 3 or 4 times better than any other product on the market. And so with the Metalcraft insulated panel, without a lot of heat loss, there's also not a lot of heat gain. So from the interiors environment, the medium air temperature changes very little. And so there's a constant comfort zone that you enjoy. The acoustic elements that we've added to this house enables us to place these absorption pads where best needed. What I absolutely love about New Zealand architecture is it's ingrained in our culture. We're actually quite optimistic, incredibly brave. New Zealand domestic architecture especially is incredibly inventive and creative.